Well, Miss Matrix, thank you for your application as Research and Development Consultants to Uisce. Your CV looks very good indeed. But before we conclude the interview, is there any questions you have for me as Managing Director of the company?
Well, I'd like to know a little bit more about Uisce and maybe how Uisce differs from your competitors.
Rather than me sitting here explaining that to you, why don't you come with me and I'll show you firsthand. So this is our administration office. This is where the magic happens. One of the busiest offices in Uisce. We process over 1,500 bookings per year. I'd like you to meet our new R&D consultant, Miss Matrix.
Thank you very much.
As you can see, we have all the normal logistical challenges in Uisce. Waste disposal, recycling, Owen. This is Owen from Kerry, and he's our logistics manager. Okay, next we're going to visit our education office, and here we're going to meet Kira and Dahi. They could be under a little bit of stress at the moment because we have 250 children arriving in about 5 days.
Come on.
Okay, I told you they'd be under a bit of stress, but they do a great job. Yippee! This is Roisin, she's our school groups manager and she's our newest member of the Uisce team. Roisin's from Donegal.
Tashi che!
So that was Roisin just teaching a group of primary school children Irish in the formal classroom setting just before they go out on the water.
Hey Rich, it's Mr. Marcus. I'm the senior instructor here in Coláiste Uisce, where it is an awesome and fantastic place to work. I manage a team of 20 staff and organise activities for 270 students where they get the opportunity to take part in windsurfing, surfing, sailing and kayaking. It's an awesome place to work.
I'm Caroline, the financial manager here in Uisce. I have one of the most important jobs as I pay everyone. I also keep an eye on the sales targets here, which are up on this time last year, thankfully.
Okay, Miss Matrix, that brings us to the end of our tour. As you can see, we run a tight ship. Excuse the fun. So you've met our team, you've seen our location, and you've seen our facilities. The only part of the jigsaw puzzle we're missing is you.